Hi, my name is Dr. Peter Rössger. I am author, keynote speaker and podcaster in the area of human and technology. My main business is consultancy of automotive companies in human factors, human-machine interfaces, user experience, usability, the entire area of the relationship between cars and drivers. In my keynote, I spoke about how is technology changing us as humans, as a society, and as humankind. What are the big trends there? Where are we going with artificial intelligence, with digitalization? How do we perform human-centric developments? And I was talking about the mega trends of automotive HMIs. And at the end, there is what I call the Hotel California moment. We put a lot of effort into human-machine interfaces, into technology. So at the end of the day, we need to create value. We need to make human lives better. We need to make this world a better place with better technology. My main takeaways from today is, I am not alone. There are others out there that think in a different way and different things, but they draw the same conclusions. Or there are people that think in the same way as I do and they come to different conclusions. And we will make it. This is my takeaway from today. We will make this world a better place with better technology.